We got him. What did we get? Spent more money on this car. But it's worth it. Oh, wow, crazy. Alright, cool. Let me get both of them out. Went ahead and soldered these connectors on to the wires. Hopefully they aren't like, here, this one. Hopefully this has a good connection, because I think you can see that, yeah, the wire is kind of burnt through. Hopefully it gives a good connection. But let us go ahead and push them into this connector. Let me see which ones they go to. So this is how the wiring goes. Green, white, gray, starting from the bottom right. Let's go ahead and plug them into here. All you have to do is literally just push these in, and then you'll hear a click. So it's got 2 pop pins here. Just push these in, and then we can pull them out with a pin. We don't really need to, but it's already out. Oh, okay, that fell. And then same thing with this. All right. Now that we got those off, 8, and then there are 4 more on the bottom. I'll show you how to take this off. Let's just pry this open. There's that, and then there is a Phillips head in there. Let's go and take that out. Okay, that's out. Now, let's go ahead and try and pry this out. Okay. Let's try and get this off now. Let's get this bolt out. And then the other 6 bolts here. And then this off. Let's take this off the triangle. Okay. Now that we got the door card off, let's unplug this connector. Take these 3 bolts off to take the mirror off. Then we have 1 more screw in this hole right here. Let's see if I take it off. Yep, just like that. That one is off. Okay, those are all hand tight. Let's plug this in. And don't forget to push this down to lock the wires in. Okay, see if it adjusts. Left, up, down, perfect. Let me go ahead and put the door card back on and then just tighten all this. There they are installed. But yeah, they're on. I have to get that painted. I really don't want to fix the bumper again. It's been like 16 times. But yeah, this is how it looks now. Here's the visibility. That's exactly what I see. That's pretty good. Look at that. Oh, can't see that. That's pretty good. You could see out of these mirrors. That's insane. So, wow, you cannot see that at all. Second coat of primer down. Honestly, I think that's all the primer that I need. I will go ahead and spray it down with some color. With some base coat in like 10 minutes. First coat of base, really light. Trying to get in all the hard to reach spots like down here. But yeah, probably like 4 coats like this. It's very splotchy, got everywhere on me. Second coat, bit heavier. And that's the last coat of base. Ran out of paint, but seems like even coverage. There's some dust specks. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, turned out okay. Then we got to put that clear on. Here is what they look like now. Didn't get too much coverage in there, which kind of sucks, but I'm out of paint. Clear coat also is broken. So I gotta wait a couple days for that to come in, so this can dry inside for the next like 2 days. It's gonna be raining basically the whole week, so I don't know when I'm gonna get this done. So went ahead and put the regular mirrors on so I could drive the car. But yeah, hopefully it turns out okay. Got a run there, and it's really dry in there, but pretty solid, like 5-10 footer. I'm pretty happy with this. Hopefully this can dry out and be a bit nicer, and maybe polish them out. Maybe. Let's see. Went ahead and put the painted mirrors back on. Pretty good from like 5 feet away. Paint match isn't all there, but maybe it's just because like the car is dirty. But when you get it right there, you know, it's the same color. I think it's just because the car's dirty. You can't see it. Here's the side.